Supply. This is supply. Now this is the supply. This one should go in there. You have to do another elbow. One elbow, one elbow. You need two elbows now.
This. These are if you tell them but why innovated you? One is innovated. Shoot here. Oh yeah. Now the light connecting.
So leave the kitchen one, you still the bathroom. You're looking at that. But, yeah, okay. So you don't send them.
These are wire to text.
Oh, okay. So how many times per day for that step for outside?
Just to test. Yeah.
Oh, which finishing? I know the small step now. So each carton for the 25 by 40, it will be 1.5 square meter. Okay. So how many cartons will you do for bathroom? I mean, for the two toilets. How many cartons? The pipes linking the internal
beauty
units, taps, name it, toilet. So because if it's not open up, the water will not have way to flow through. We're opening all of it up, so there won't be a blockade. Water comes out. This is an inbuilt water system.
Yeah, WC.
WC tank, the pedestal, and the tank. The tank is built inside the block. There's 9 inches block, so it's all buried. The tank is right there, plastic, whatever. So when it's full up, you flush. The system is there. All right. Now, the pressure pump without the switching it on with electricity. This is natural water flowing through it. The pressure is coming for just ordinary bathing. But power shower, this is not strong enough. It shouldn't. I was explaining the other time. This is even though the water is making noise, it's not strong enough to climb up for power shower. Not to talk of going to upstairs. So let's turn it. This is natural. So if we turn on the power shower, let's leave it on like this because we have flood drain. The water will go out anyway. So when you can pause it, we want to go and put the pressure then on for the pressure pump to start work. In fact, we go there and hear the sound of the pressure pump, and then we come here and come and see.